Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by gathering the right tools and a safe workspace for the job. Bring a 1-2 mm precision screwdriver and a microfiber cloth about 30 cm long. Place a soft tray to catch tiny screws and put a towel under the frame. Use bright light and clear the area so you have at least 10 minutes of uninterrupted time. Confirm the Maui Jim model and whether lenses are polarized or mirrored before you begin the removal process. Begin by loosening hinge or nose pad screws with the 1-2 mm screwdriver. Turn screws counterclockwise only until the lens can move freely. If frames feel stiff, warm them for 6 to 10 seconds with a hairdryer on low. Hold the frame gently and push the lens out from the edge using your thumbs. Do not use metal picks or excessive force. Keep all screws in the soft tray and inspect the frame groove for debris before fitting the new lens. Hold the frame in one hand and place the top edge of the new lens into the groove first. Gently press the bottom edge into place until it seats evenly across the frame. Replace screws and tighten them until snug, then add a quarter turn. Do not over-tighten screws. Check lens alignment by viewing from the front and ensuring no gaps or warps exist. Finish by cleaning the lens with 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth. Then test on your face for comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.